Companies that hire freelance transcriptionists worldwide. Transcription service is one of the most popular freelance work with thousands of providers around the world. Doing this type of home-based online work, part-time or full-time, has been a source of income for many stay-home individuals who want to break free from the humdrum of a typical 8-hour job. Being a transcriptionist requires great skills in listening, editing, and typing. Transcription is a professional service that converts recorded or live audio and video files from live interviews, dictations, minutes of meetings, and the likes, into a text document usually called a transcript. A transcript is intended for various purposes, used as articles on websites, blogs, or printed materials such as newspapers and magazines. It is also used as subtitles or closed caption features for video, for live news or recorded events. It sounds like a pretty easy job, but it actually requires a skill set not found in many. It requires practice and focus to be able to get to the level where an aspiring transcriptionist can finally sell his or her services as a general transcriptionist. A general transcriptionist transcribes an audio or video file that tackles a wide variety of topics from and for many and different industries. If you have this skill set, the next step is to find clients or projects. But the question is where? The good news is, there is a great number of companies or platforms on the internet that hire transcriptionists worldwide. And we have gathered all of them on this video so that you can try one to begin with, or you can even post your services to each and every one of these companies and see where you can get more paying clients. Here are the top 20 sites that hire transcriptionists worldwide. GoTranscript. This is the website of GoTranscript. GoTranscript is a web-based company that boasts of a global team of professional and experienced transcriptionists. You don't need to be an expert right away to be able to join this company. You can grow your skills and learn from other members as you go along the way and build your portfolio. They also offer a very attractive pay or compensation plan for transcriptionists. They pay transcriptionists for up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. An average income you can earn from this can reach to up to $150 per month and can even earn up to $2,000 per month. That will be based on your persistence to get more projects from this site. Income will also greatly depend on how you produce quality transcripts for your clients. You don't pay any fees to get in, but you have to pass the test set for new applicants. If you fail the test, don't worry, you have unlimited tries until you pass it. Do not, however, create multiple accounts. You can use the same account to take the test again. The nice thing about being a part of this company is that you get the support of its entire community of transcriptionists. You will receive feedback for every project you submit and will also get tips on how you can level up your game. You can also do translation services, captioning for videos, and foreign subtitles for video, if you got the skills. These tasks pay more than the usual transcription service. Transcriptionists on this site get payouts on a weekly basis that is sent via PayPal. Transcription for Everyone. This is the website of Transcription for Everyone. A straightforward name for a company that clearly offers top-notch services in audio transcription, business transcription, court transcription, dictation transcription, digital transcription, interview transcription, legal transcription, medical transcription, online transcription, video transcription, voice transcription, and general transcription. That's how they categorize their services that are clearly enumerated on their website. A career in transcription for everyone is definitely a step closer to finding your dream clients. Because they already have loyal clients who are always in need of transcription services. They always welcome people with skill sets related to all of the services we have mentioned, and as they put it, transcription is for everyone. Just head to their website and learn about the skills and qualities they are looking for, such as typing, listening, grammar, and research skills. They provide regular work for transcriptionists. This will help you in improving your skills consistently and steadily. For starting transcriptionists, the rate is $5 per hour, but rates gradually increase until it reaches $15 per hour. 3 Play Media. This is the website of 3 Play Media. 3 Play Media, founded in 2007, only started as a small startup by 4 IT students and now trusted by more than 2,000 clients and big names like Time Warner Cable, Procter & Gamble, Yale University, just to name a few. This company is constantly in search of transcription stars to become part of their ever-growing team. To become a transcriptionist for 3 Play Media, you will answer a series of questions and you will be required to transcribe a sample audio or video file that is roughly around 3 minutes long. This will be typed inside a box on their website. Applicants say that the tests are quite hard or challenging, and that serves as a heads up. So prepare yourself for that. Results of the assessments will be sent to you within 3 weeks though, and that's a long time to wait. Just be patient with it. If you know you did well, you'll be looking at a new source of income very soon. Transcriptionists under the company earn $10 to $25 per hour. Just imagine the amount of money you will earn if you are willing to spend at least 4 hours a day. Voxtab. This is the website of Voxtab. Voxtab is a 15-year-old company, and they are continuously accepting applications to the growing demand of their clients. They offer transcription services apart from subtitling services, captioning services, and voiceover services. They always take pride in having the best transcriptionists in the industry that deliver transcripts of excellent accuracy. To apply as a transcriptionist at Voxtab, you just need to fill up the application form found on the career page on their website, click Next and follow the instructions. They will be contacting you for a series of tests and assessments, so get ready for it. Transcriptionists are paid $5 to $30 per hour based on their skill levels and performance. Scribble. This is the website of Scribble. Scribble is a web-based transcription company. They have more than 30,000 home-based transcribers around the world. Scribble transcribers are paid $5 to $25 per audio hour. They also give a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours of audio transcription. There is no limit on the number of transcription files you can submit per day, so this gives you a lot of earnings if you are really good at what you do. Another good thing is that transcribers have the freedom to choose from among the available audio or video files on their website. They don't send you files to transcribe. Instead, you can preview each file from their website, download it, and start transcribing what you think is easier for you. The application process is quite easy as well. The first step is to go to the Apply tab on their website where you can submit your application. Keep the application number that will be given to you so that you can track the progress of your application. Check your email for the confirmation link. Click on the link provided, or copy and paste it on your browser to complete and verify your submission. If you made a mistake in entering your correct email address, you can do the entire process again. Your application will then be reviewed and as quickly as 24 hours. You will get notified via email if your application has been accepted or rejected. Once accepted, you will receive an email invitation to take the test. Click on the link. It will instruct you to create an account on their website with your email address as your username and a strong password. When logged in, you will see a list of files to choose from. You will then start to transcribe the file you have chosen, and submit it upon completion. Expect another message in your email after you have submitted your transcription test file. The final step is certification. You can get certified and the test file you transcribed will be paid, or you can get rejected, but you can still apply again. Every applicant is given up to a maximum of 10 attempts. With Scribble, you won't only earn through transcription, you can also earn from your referrals. Referrals can be a transcriptionist like you or a paying customer. If you refer a customer, you get 5% of the total order. If you refer a transcriptionist and pass the test, you get 2.5% of the direct earnings of your referral. There is no limit on how many you can refer under this program to increase your earnings. So once you become a part of Scribble, start promoting its services on your social media networks. Of course, you will be given your own referral or affiliate link so that you can track your extra earnings. Scribble sends payments via PayPal account, and a verified PayPal account is required to receive earnings. To be continued, please check part 2 of this video. Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.